Hi, I'm Carrie. I cosplay crochet and enjoy history bounding. But in this video, I'm doing something different. Our local library has monthly craft kits for both kids and adults. This month's craft kit for the adults, a patriotic door hanging. I thought it was perfect for 4th of July, so that's what I'm going to make. Okay, here is the craft kit. Inside we have 5 paint stir sticks, little piece of ribbon, twine, a round little wooden ball, a little popsicle stick, a giant tongue depressor, some yarn, a little sponge, 2 little popsicle sticks, some stars, and the directions. Oh, and they also included paint. We need to also have scissors and craft glue. First thing I did was put down some cardboard to protect the lovely desk underneath. Next, we need to paint the paint sticks. 3 of them are going to be red, and then 2 will be white. Next, our giant popsicle stick gets painted blue. The next instruction is to glue the red and white sticks together, then turn over and glue the smaller 2 popsicle sticks across the back, one towards the top and one near the middle. I admit I am not the neatest person when it comes to glue. Neither craft glue or hot glue. This is going to be interesting. Moment of truth. Well, we've stuck to the paper. We're kind of glued together. Okay. Time for popsicle stick braces. One near the top, one near the middle. Alright, time to let those dry. Oh, it's actually holding together. This is good. Next step, on the front side, glue the blue stick across the painter sticks. We'll basically cover up the little gaps in the painter sticks. Next, we're adding the stars to the blue popsicle stick. All right, next step is to glue one layer of the beard, which is this yarn, across right underneath the blue stick. Okay, next we're flipping up the beard and adding another layer underneath here. Our next direction is to glue our little piece of ribbon across the top of the beard. Next, I'm supposed to pull apart the strands of the beard to make it look nice and full. Now it's time to glue the nose into the middle of the beard. Okay, the last thing we need to do is attach string to the back. And it's finished! This was a fun little craft. It took a little while, mostly waiting for things to dry, but beyond that, it was simple, fun, and I think it will look great on the wall. Happy 4th of July, everybody. I thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment for me. Until next time, have fun, be creative, and take care.